My loneliness. Daddy. Daddy. Huh? Daddy. Juicy. Me. Trash. Hello everyone! Hello Vincent. I always say hello everyone, but it's only you who's
and
here.
you never say hi to me.
Yeah, right? Hello Vincent.
Good day, mate.
And for Vincent. Welcome back to my white wall! This feels like my old video when I just had my white, which was actually looking grey kind of wall in the background. Trash! Where my boobies? How do you guys like my hair now? You like it? You like the length?
Yes, we love it. It's so great as it is.
We're gonna cut it off today. So we're all in quarantine, more or less, but we're not going out, hopefully. We also can't visit our local hairdresser, a friend who does our hair normally, who bleaches my hair, who cuts my hair. Just can't see him at the moment, so I think Vincent has to do it. When it comes to like giving myself an actual haircut, I feel like I would actually suck. I would get like super, I don't know, anxious about it. And I feel like you could actually do this.
What makes you think?
I don't know why. Lecker, lecker. The plan for this video is, I love my hair color at the moment. Don't you love it too? I like this hair color. It is very silvery, very whitish, very cute. But I really want my hair to be cut. I know people want me to shave my hair, but I mean, like, why would I shave my hair? Did you ever watch a video how to cut hair?
Probably. I'll just do that now.
And also I have like really intense roots, not in the front because I just bleached the front part when I dyed it yellow. Just because I bleached the front part, you just don't see my actual really horrible roots. I mean, they're not horrible, they're kind of silverish too, but if you get close to them, it's not a good look. I have a really big project for my hair coming. What could it be? I don't know. Anyway, Vincent is currently watching videos on how to cut short bobs. Bobs.
Why not Susie's? Why Bob?
I think it's bob because bob is like really like, if you say bob, it sounds like the hairstyle. Bob. My hairstyle would be like a Sammy. Honestly, where does this come from, Bob?
Probably from barbarian times.
I think my bangs are this long at the moment, like literally chin length. So maybe gonna cut them a little bit longer.
Just 1 millimeter more than the chin and then we good.
But first we gotta bleach this beach and straighten my hair so Vincent got a great base to cut it. Yay! I feel like you're like literally an expert in mixing bleach now.
Yeah, well, I do it every second week, so.
Yeah.
Will I fuck this up?
I mean, you can only fuck it up if you cut it too short, so, but I know you're better safe than sorry, so I don't think you could fuck it up. I'm sorry, I'm not wearing my Musically hoodie anymore. I think it was time for it to go. Vincent was so kind to mix the bleach because he's the master of mixing bleach.
Oh!
Scheiße. Scheiße! Yes. What are you listening to? That looks like so much fun. It's probably Kiana, right? Have you guys listened to Kiana's new album? I'm so sad I can never play the songs I'm listening to because of copyright. Wait, I'm gonna do the wave. Oh, that was good, right? So how do we start? Where do we start? Vince! I also want to do something, but I don't know what I should do. Oh. I just don't see anything. That's the problem. Potato. Guys, do you know our never-ending concert disaster? Once upon a time, there was a Naomijon and a Vincenzo Domenzo, and all they wanted to do is go to Kalani's concert in 2017. And we were so excited that she was coming to Germany. We planned everything out, how we're gonna get there after work, and then she decided to blow it off.
She didn't decide, she had to.
Yeah, I don't remember what was the
She had a broken belly button or something.
A broken belly button. Oh, so it was her health.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, whatever. I don't blame her, but like it was just so sad because we couldn't go to Kalani's concert. They said it was postponed, but like it never happened. So, well, we missed that. After that, Vincent made me an amazing birthday present, which was concert tickets for LMA. She's also an amazing R&B soul singer. The sad thing is her concert was exactly at the same time when I was not in Germany and I had another trip, which was also really important and also planned out. And I tried everything asking if I could just leave early and then go to the concert with Vincent together. Didn't happen.
It was so sad. I literally bought the tickets the same day Naomi got the message that she was gonna go on this trip. She told me when she got home from work and she was like, I'm so excited and we're gonna go then and then. And I'm like, so cool.
After that, we decided we wanted to go to Her's concert. Her is also an amazing singer. She actually came to London, so we kind of planned everything out. We wanted to go to London, and then we were like, let's go at the same time when Her is in London, so we can see her in London. That would be so cool. She also canceled her tour because she wanted to finish her album first, so what was the reason?
This album is still not out.
Is that a curse? Are we never gonna go to a concert? And then, recently, we bought tickets for Tori Kelly and for Kiana Lede. And well, guess what? I mean, there are basically no concerts happening at the moment. There's an obvious reason for that. We were looking forward to Tori's concert for so long. And it's just bad timing, it's bad luck. They just don't want us to go to a concert. I'm so fucking hungry. I'm so hungry for pasta. I'm so hung. They call me Naomijon. Feels like I'm actually at the hairdressers. It just feels right. Can I keep it that way? I never straighten my hair, never curl my hair. I sometimes feel like I'm really like an outsider in the styling hair kind of world. I can't even straighten my hair.
That is indeed sad.
Yeah.
I made way too much bleach.
Or maybe I made not enough rootage.
Feeling kinda generous.
And generous?
Why is your hair so pinkish?
I don't know. Only in the back, right? That's so weird. I just learned something new. How to crossbreed flowers on Animal Crossing. You guys play Animal Crossing? What do you like better so far, Sims or Animal Crossing?
Sims.
Okay, sorry for offending you. I used to be super addicted to Sims. Me and my dad, we used to go to these places where you could rent games and movies. That was a thing back then. Do these places still exist? Video Buster. Well, anyway, we rented Sims for PlayStation 2, it was back then. And I was obsessed with this game. The thing is, when you rent a game, you can't keep it for so long. It's just basically for 1 or 2 days or it's gonna get super expensive. I literally spent the whole day playing Sims and my dad was really concerned. My loneliness is killing me. The mirror is like 2 feet away. Wait, is that much? This is like literally dyeing my hair blindfolded. Dyeing my hair with the mirror 2 meters away from me. Classy, bougie, raunchy. Sassy, moody, nasty. Why do I have like a bump there? Is that a pimple? Is that a bump? Did I bump my head without knowing it? We're gonna wait now. And then it's time to cut. Wow! Vincent, the hair color looks so good on camera. Honestly, Vincent, you did an amazing job. We might have forgotten one part right here. Technically, I did the front part, but I just thought I'd do this part. But I don't mind it. It's like my little lucky spot. Ooh, 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 ooh. You don't know the lyrics, you just ooh, you know, you just vibing. Ooh. I'm ready for my short bob.
I've never cut hair before. I know! Are you nervous?
It goes so because you've done this bleaching thing so well. I'm like, maybe he's actually like just like a natural. I'm so proud of you because I remember those times when I asked you to do my back, and I mean it was still better than what I was doing, but like you had no idea what you were doing, and now you're like basically like hair god. Look how you're pinning my hair up. This is ooh, this makes my see.
How do you pin it up though?
Not like this. I take that part with the hair god back. I feel so cute like that.
Yeah?
Yeah. My hair just popped onto my forehead. It's like,
I'ma stay here. I like this plate.
I'll just quickly watch the video. What do I do with your ear?
don't cut it off, please. How many centimeters are we cutting off?
5, 6,
7, 8.
7?
Touch
No, maybe even
and
10.
push. And touch and push.
What?
And shout to the left.
Are you sitting straight?
No. Oh God, Vincent. No, hang on. No. Why are you starting here, by the way? This is supposed to be the longest part. You're supposed to have it like the shortest in the back and then longer in the front. And this is already the shortest we want.
But that's like only the bottom layer.
Okay.
Customers.
We're not gonna stop. We're not gonna chicken out.
Just tell the story of how you lost your AirPods.
Well, I bought these new AirPods, like these in-ears, canceling all the noise out, and I was actually so in love with them. I kind of cleaned the room, and I took my AirPods out of my ears and just put them right there, you know, right there. And when I came back, they weren't there anymore. And I saw Chili playing with one of them in my shoe, and the other one has been missing since then. Well, that's the first time I'm actually seeing it. I love my bob! How do I look?
Amazing.
Next layer, beach. Oh yeah! Sitting like Gollum again. I'm watching a hairdresser react to my McDonald's hair right now. He hates me. Am I getting a palm tree? Oh, I'm just getting a stump. And then draw one line. I need to sneeze. Schnipp, schnapp, Haare ab. This is like the short hair don't care in Germany. I'm getting really tired.
Oh, stop!
Wow. Wowzers. Wowzity wowzadoozle. I hate this part right here.
That was so my childhood bedroom.
Ehrlich?
So I used to give a 10 out of 10 performance on my bed to my audience of, 0 people.
I think my sexy, intense 10 out of 10 performance was Sarah Connor and Ashley Tisdale. But like the song was feeling good. And then I was like, and I'm feeling good. Taking off my gloves.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you a person and you have to be that person, okay?
Okay.
So right now, you're 46-year-old mom of 6 kids and you gotta hustle because it's like 6 in the morning and you gotta wake up all your kids, then you gotta make them breakfast and because it's like a busy school day, And then your husband, don't forget about him. You gotta wake him up and you gotta make breakfast for him and your 6 kids. Oh, and don't forget, 2 of these kids are toddlers still, so they're like really, really young and they're like crying and they wanna eat and they wanna drink and don't forget about them. And what do? You're in her situation now.
Good morning, children. Time
That's
to get
your voice?
up. Kids, time to get up. It's
But like
breakfast.
you're really stressed and you haven't had a good night.
Get up, sweetie.
That was really good. You want another person? Now you're like a 12-year-old teenage boy and you just found out that the girl you've been really in love with, she kissed your sister.
Okay.
But just took a deep dive. Your hair.
How did that happen? Beep.
Just talk.
Skip it up. I'm a skip. Do you know this song?
No. Do I have to style it as well? I'm just gonna curl your hair so you don't see my mistakes.
Go in, sis. Okay, I guess we're just gonna do the details now, and I'll see you with dry, short hair.
Bye.
Can I see now? This doesn't feel right. Vince, that looks ridiculous. Guys, that's it. I'm done. Has it ever been that short? My roots are bleached, my hair is cut.
But are you having a donut?
That I am having.
Oh, you want? Oh, okay.
I'm really thirsty. I feel like you can't even see my hair because it's like the same color as the wall behind me. Anyway, guys, I think this is it for this video. Vincent, thank you so much for being my local hairdresser. Maybe it's time for orange hair again then. I would literally love to dye my hair orange right now. No, I have other plans for my hair. Dyeing them orange would be the death of my next experiment. Tell me in the comments down below how you like it. I think Vincent really rocked that hair. I just realized what my hands look like. This is not good. Anyway. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on and the Naomijon on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Doggy!